Welcome to your GemLightbox Max experience, trusted by over 20,000 jewelers to capture, share, and supercharge sales every day. In just 2 minutes and 11 seconds, you'll learn exactly how to get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Plug in your GemLightbox Max, then press the power button on the lid. The lights will briefly turn on, then switch off. This is completely normal. It confirms power is running to your GemLightbox Max. Step 2. Place your jewelry on the turntable, or use the holders to secure it in place. The open lid design lets you shoot from any angle. Fully open, half closed, or anywhere in between, depending on what your piece needs. GemLightbox Max is built on infinity lighting, a breakthrough lighting system. It's engineered for a truly shadowless look, with optimal diffused lighting surrounding the entire box. The turntable glows from within to remove harsh shadows, while wraparound diffusion keeps lighting even from every angle. The result? Your jewelry looks like it's floating, with true color, crisp edges, and a clean, premium finish. This is where GemLightbox Max gives you total control. Step 3. Use the 12-point magnetic lighting system to shape the look of your piece, from soft and even to crisp and high definition. Snap the lights into position, then press the center button to turn them on. A pro tip for you: you can mix warm light and cool lights to match your metal tone and stone style. Now it's one click to capture and seconds to sell. Step 5. Click and capture. GemLightbox Max creates your content set automatically. Photos, 360 videos, jewelry descriptions, ready for a sale. Choose your destination and share instantly. Capture, share, sell. That's GemLightbox Max, the faster way to sell jewelry. Controlled lighting, shadowless presentation, one-click capture, with automated descriptions ready to publish anywhere. If you need help at any point, contact us at support@pickupmedia.com. We're always here to help.